Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what came in my September Boxy Charm box. And this is what it looks like. So I really ordered this box like a month ago thinking that it would come in September, but for some reason my September Boxy Charm box decided to arrive on October 1st. So I do apologize for this video going up on October, but hopefully on this next box it'll come in October and I can actually have an October unboxing for you guys. Okay, so earlier on my Instagram I put a poll up asking you guys if you guys would rather me just show you the products and the pricing, or if you guys would rather me show you the products, the pricing, and actually try on the products that I got and give you all an honest review about them. And I think like 100% right now is at, yes, 100% right now is at try on the product. So I'm going to share these products with you guys and show you how they work as well. Okay, so whenever you first open your box, you get a little trifold paper like this, and this month's theme is Wildflower, and this is a list of all the products and what they do retail for. And this box was only $21, so you definitely get your money's worth with it, and I will tell you guys the pricing product by product as we go through it. But for starters, I got 3 makeup brushes, and this is Alamar Cosmetics, and it's 100% synthetic fibers, which is always very nice to have. So these are what the 3 eyeshadow brushes look like. This one right here is more like a packing brush for the lid. The middle one will be like your blending brush for the crease, and then this brush right here could be used for like liner or eyeshadow, just to get a precise and defined look with this. And so far I do like all 3 of these brushes, and I'm very excited, as if I need more makeup brushes, but you can never have too many makeup brushes, honestly. Alright, so next I have the Girlactic Skin Glow Duo, which I'm excited about because I've always heard about the Girlactic brand, but I've never tried any of the products out for myself, and I love both of these 2 colors. But this one right here looks like a good blush shade, and then this looks like a good like highlight or a blush topper. And this blush retails for $26, so this box was $21, the first thing was $18, this is $26, so we're already well over that $21. Alright, so next we have the Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer, and I'm not gonna lie or just be negative or nothing, but I really don't care about eyelid primers at all, so this isn't really that exciting for me, but I will try it out to show you guys what I do think about it and show y'all how it applies. But I probably will not ever use this again, so yeah. So next I have the Violet Voss Liquid Lipstick, and this retails for $12. And this is probably my favorite thing that I got in the box because I'm like literally obsessed with this color. Like, this color right here is probably like one of my favorite colors. Alright, and last but certainly not least, I have the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. And I don't know how I feel about the colors, honestly. I'm not really a cool toned kind of girl. I'm more of a warmer shade kind of girl, but we will see. We'll see. And also at the end of this video of me unboxing and trying on these products, I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys a few new things that I got yesterday for fall. So if you want to see what I got in my September Boxy Charm box, my new purse, and a few new fall goodies I got, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so first we're going to start off with this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this hide and seek color right here, I'm gonna pick it up with this blending brush that I got in my box and just apply this all over the crease. I'm a freaking mess. I'm a freaking mess. Okay. I'm dumb. I'm real dumb. I have to apply the primer first, duh. Okay. So first, I'm going to go in with this primer and then add it to my lids. Okay. I'm going to apologize for running my mouth about this because I actually really really like this, like a lot. It actually reminds me a lot of concealer, which that's what I usually use, and it has like my perfect skin color, and I'm actually like really happy with this. So I'm sorry for running my mouth too soon. All right, so I'm just going to set my eyelids really fast before we jump on into the eyeshadow. All right, so for real eyeshadow this time, I'm gonna pick up that blending brush and that shade Hide and Seek. So I'm gonna use this as my transition shade and just keep this in the crease area. So far, so good, and this brush is like really soft and like flexible. The eyeshadow is like semi-pigmented, I guess. Like it's not too pigmented, but it's not like the worst either. But you definitely can get a good color and build it up if you just apply like a little at a time. Alright, so now that I have Hide and Seek all in my crease, I'm going to pick up this Silver Spoon shade right here with that same blending brush, and then like apply this to my outer corner. Alright, this color has some pigmentation to it. First one was alright, but this one's pretty pigmented actually. Not too shabby, honestly. Alright, so now that I went in with that Silver Spoon color, I'm going to go in with the shade Clutch right here and then apply that to the base of my eyelid. And I'm going to be using my finger for this. Alright, this shade Clutch is like really pretty and pigmented actually. Like, I really like it. And I'm going to use this as almost like a liner, almost. I keep it close to my lashes though. Alright, so now that I have that black along like my upper lash line, I'm going to pick up that same brush, and I just cleaned it off, and I'm going to use that Silver Spoon shade again, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Alright, so now that I've finished the eyeshadow, I'm just going to grab some mascara real quick and apply that just so I can finish up this eye look. Alright, so for my highlight, I'm going to be using this brush that I got in my box, and I'm going to be mixing these two lighter shades at the top together to create a highlight for my brow bone and my inner corner. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, so now that I'm finished with my eyes, I am going to go in with that Girlactic blush and highlight and apply that to the cheeks. Alright, so I'm a little disappointed because I just went to apply my blush and dip my brush in it, and then I just realized that this is cream blush. And I don't really like cream products at all, but I'm still gonna try to use it anyways. Honestly, this is like really pretty actually. Like I really like this. I think I need to quit like saying I don't like products just because I don't use them and actually try them out, because this is the second thing in the box that I just assumed I didn't like, but I actually ended up really liking it. Okay. Okay. Alright, so overall, I don't hate it, but I just know me and I'm not going to pick this up often, but like, it's not bad. And good thing about BoxyCharm is like, it's going to give me a variety of things so I can try it, because these are things that I usually wouldn't just pick up at the store, but it gives me an opportunity to try them and might change my mind on the way that I feel about certain things. Alright, and for the last thing I'm going to go in with is the lipstick, and I don't like this shade with this eye look, but I'm going to try it on just for this video's sake and show you guys how it does apply and let you guys know my review on it. Okay, so I'm not trying to be negative and like hate on all these products, but I hate this lipstick. Like, it looks way different in this than it does on the lips. Like, it comes out to be like a really bright like Barbie pink, and it's not for me at all. And like the formula of it is like, it's really sticky and like drying, and I'm just being honest with you guys, and I don't want to act like I love these when I don't, but I do not like this at all. Alright, so I just think it's really funny because the thing that I was the most excited about and said that I was gonna like the most was this lipstick, and it's the thing that I absolutely hate the most. And then the lid primer and the blush, I was scared that I was gonna hate them, and I actually ended up loving them. So like, it's funny how things work out. That's why it's cool to get these Boxy Charm boxes, because again, I'm getting things that I would not personally pick up or buy, but I'm getting an opportunity to try them at the same time. So it opens new doors to things. But this lipstick, no. The eyeshadow, it's okay. This blush, I like it for a cream blush. And the lid primer is like 10 out of 10. Like, surprisingly, I think I'm gonna start using lid primer now, so you never know. Alright, so I just added up all the retail prices for this month's box, and it came out to be $105 worth of products. And again, this box is only $21, so yes, it's worth it. Alright, so now that I finished unboxing the Boxy Charm box, I'm going to move into my new fall items that I got yesterday. And the first thing that I got was a purse. And this is my new purse, and I think it is like a perfect fall transition shade. It's like a mauve-y, like cream color, and it looks like this. And I could not find a wallet to match it, so I found this there, and I thought it would be a good like statement little wallet to contrast with this. So alright, so this is my new fall wallet and my purse. And then I want to share with you guys a few new pieces that I got from the Silk and Honey boutique yesterday. And this is the shirt that I got, and I think it's cute. It has a little tie detail on the bottom, and I just love this mustard color. I think it's perfect for fall, like a fall transition, because I'm from Mississippi and it's might be fall, but it still feels like summer, so it's a good little fall color but like a summer top at the same time. Right, so next I got this navy like corduroy skirt, and I think this will look really cute with this new like distressed sweater, and I think it's really cute, and I just love like the roughed edges on the bottoms. I think it's gonna be cute. And then last but not least, I got this sweater, and I just love the little distressed detailing in it and the color of it. Like, this is probably gonna be one of my favorite sweaters this fall. I can already tell. You can dress it up or down, but I'm really excited about it. But alright, you guys, that completes it for this video, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing my upcoming videos, do not forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!